Understanding autism, a spectrum of abilities. Autism is a spectrum. This means it affects people in many different ways. Some autistic people are very quiet, others are very talkative, some love routines, others crave new experiences. But one thing is certain, autistic people have incredible potential. They are capable of great things. We need to understand and embrace their unique ways of seeing the world. Autistic people often have remarkable strengths. They might have amazing memories. They might be brilliant mathematicians or artists. They might have a deep connection to nature or animals. We must recognize and celebrate these strengths. They are the keys to unlocking the potential of autistic individuals. It is important to remember that autism is not a disease. It is a different way of thinking and experiencing the world. It is part of what makes each autistic person unique and special. When we embrace neurodiversity, we create a more inclusive and accepting world for everyone. We need to move away from seeing autism as a deficit. Instead, we should focus on the strengths and talents that autistic individuals bring to the table. By providing the right support and opportunities, we can help them thrive and reach their full potential. Laurel is a single mother. She has 3 autistic children. One of her sons is Noah. Noah used to have terrible meltdowns. He couldn't communicate his feelings. Life was very difficult for Noah and his family. Then, Laurel discovered the power of writing. She encouraged Noah to express himself through words. At first it was difficult, but slowly, Noah began to write. He wrote about his feelings. He wrote about his experiences. Writing became Noah's outlet. It was a way for him to communicate. It was a way for him to make sense of the world. Through writing, Noah found his voice. He found a way to connect with others, and most importantly, he found peace. Writing is a powerful tool for autistic individuals. It allows them to express themselves in a way that feels safe and comfortable. Many autistic people struggle with verbal communication. Writing provides an alternative outlet for their thoughts and feelings. When you write, you can take your time. You can think things through. You can find the right words. This is especially helpful for autistic people who might need more time to process information. Writing can be a bridge between the autistic mind and the rest of the world. Writing can also be a source of great joy and accomplishment for autistic individuals. When you finish a story or a poem, you feel a sense of pride. You have created something meaningful. This can be a huge boost to self-esteem and confidence. Through writing, autistic individuals can share their unique perspectives with the world. They can challenge stereotypes and promote understanding. They can show that autism is not a limitation but a different way of being. Section 4. A Tapestry of Talents. Autism's creative spectrum. Laurel's other children also found their passions. Chris loves to act. He brings characters to life on stage. Adele is a talented artist. She expresses herself through vibrant colors and shapes. These stories show us that autism is not a monolith. There are many other examples of autistic individuals who have excelled in creative fields. Temple Grandin is a renowned animal behaviorist and autism advocate. Her unique way of thinking, influenced by her autism, has revolutionized the livestock industry. Alex, a young man with autism, discovered his love for music at an early age. He has an extraordinary ability to play the piano by ear. His musical talent has brought him joy and recognition. These stories highlight the diverse talents within the autism community. It is important to remember that every autistic person is different. They have their own strengths, interests, and dreams. We need to support them in pursuing their passions, whatever they may be. Section 5. Nurturing young writers. Tips for parents and educators. Parents and educators play a vital role in nurturing the writing skills of autistic children. Here are some tips to support their journey. Create a safe and structured writing environment. Many autistic individuals thrive in predictable settings. Establish a designated writing space free from distractions. Use visual supports. Visual aids like storyboards or picture cards can help autistic children organize their thoughts and ideas. Break down writing tasks into smaller steps. Writing a story can feel overwhelming. Start with simple exercises like writing sentences or paragraphs. Encourage different forms of writing. Let children explore various writing styles from poetry to journaling to fiction. Celebrate every milestone. Acknowledge and praise their efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, patience and encouragement are key. Every child learns at their own pace. By fostering a love for writing, we empower autistic individuals to express themselves, connect with others, and share their unique gifts with the world.